cheese, cheddar, mozzarella, feta, parmesan, whatever you love, half and half or heavy cream for recipes, leafy greens, spinach, kale, romaine, bell peppers, onions, zucchini, great for stuffed peppers or sauteed veggies, sweet potatoes for stuffed sweet potato dinner, berries, apples, bananas for snacks and natural sweetness, whole wheat English muffins or sprouted grain bread.
We're home and I am going to get on the offense. And is that offense or defense? I want to get on the offense. Yes, defense will be waiting. I want to get on the offense and make a sweet treat right now. That way, I'm hoping that if I make something sweet without refined sugar, that I can, what am I trying to say? If I make something sweet without refined sugar, I can cut off the headaches that I know are going to come if I just try to cut it out cold turkey without supplementing it in some kind of way. Again, without refined sugar, so I'm going to use dates and bananas, but I think I'm going to make a banana bread today. So I have some overly ripe bananas there. There's nothing else I can do with these anyway, because I would never eat a banana that looks like this. Now, as far as what I can put in it, I have some almond flour. I have some, I knew I had some date sugar. Some date sugar. It's super old. Oh, still very much pliable and I can move it around, so that's good. And these are sweetened coconut flakes, so I won't be using those. Oh. Okay. And that's really it. So I think what we're gonna do is use the date sugar to make banana bread, and I'm not focused on cutting out grains or anything, so I mean I'm not pressed to use the almond flour because I'm not cutting out flour. So, all right, this is just cleaning out this little container. So yeah, that's the plan for today. We're gonna make our breakfast sandwich, which I'm about to show y'all in a second. If I get hungry between now and dinner, then we're going to have a snack plate, which will consist of this was the only tuna pack I could find besides the plain one that didn't have any sugar in it. But this is the Bumblebee cracked pepper and sea salt tuna packet breakfast sandwich. I got avocado, I got the English muffins, I already have turkey, I have salami, I have spinach, which actually I have the spinach for dinner. But I could put a couple leaves of spinach on it if I want to. And that's really it. I think that's mostly, I mean, that's, and a piece of cheese. That's going to be breakfast or lunch at this point, because right now it is, not me wearing a watch that's not even on, 1:01. So that'll be my first meal of the day. If I get hungry between lunch and dinner, I will have a snack plate, which I can include this tuna in. I could do like the tuna, a little bit of mayo, a little bit of mustard, put it on top of some little cucumbers. That would be nice. And then I'll have fruit with it. I already had a banana earlier, which y'all saw. And and crackers and cheese. Or I could do meat, crackers, and cheese. I could do meat, crackers, and cheese. I could do the tuna and crackers, and then fruit. So the protein source might vary. I don't know which one I want to do yet, but I don't even know if I'm going to want any food in between lunch and dinner, but we'll see. And then I'm going to, in a minute, make some banana bread just so I can have something sweet on hand that is not sweetened with refined sugar. So we're going to make the banana bread no matter what. We're going to leave out this date sugar to make the banana bread with. And then the last thing that we're going to have for dinner is like at-home kava bowls. So I just took out the ground chicken, as y'all saw. I chop up the spinach. I make chicken, spinach, and feta meatballs, and then I put all the other kava fixings. So I'll make, I should have got some slaw. So I'll make a slaw sometimes to put in it. And that's it. So that is the meals for today, girl. But yeah, I'm excited. I think this is a good little experiment and a good opportunity to like see what happens.
What do you need, Chef, my boy?
So good. I just made another one for breakfast tomorrow, and I used the Trader Joe's chicken sausage, egg, cheese, and putting the egg in the microwave. I feel like it makes it good. Like I like it. I like the texture of it. When you just barely cook it, like when you just cook it until it's just done in the microwave. I cook it for like 40 seconds on one side, flip it, and do another like 10 seconds, and then it's perfect. And then I can add a little bit of avocado, tomato, whatever I want on it tomorrow morning. So good. So freaking good. Like, oh my gosh. Oh, the texture, the flavor. It's so good. Make this. I'm gonna put the recipe. I'm gonna give y'all the recipe because I just made it up, but it worked.
Can we put ice cream soon? JP on the
swing my way. Show look good to me. Now would you please swing my way? Shawty swing my way.
Swing it over here, shawty,
Swing my way. Show look good to me. Now would you please swing my way?
Good morning. Having my breakfast sandwich that I made yesterday. And can I just tell y'all that day one, no sugar, a breeze. It was easy. And I hope that continues because it was not challenging. Today, for lunch, I think I might go to Cava. I already asked ChatGPT to like build me a bowl that doesn't have any sugar sauces or toppings that have sugar. So I already know what to order if I go to Cava. And then I washed my hair this morning, and it's supposed to rain today, so I didn't want to blow dry. I didn't want to like blow dry it and do it and all this stuff. So I just put some leave-in on it and let it be curly and put it in a ponytail. So anyway, I'm just thinking out loud at this point. But yeah, that's what's happening today. We're gonna go to the movies and see F1, and then we're gonna go. I need to do a return at Hollister, a return at Gap, and I think that's it. I decided to come back inside while Bernie is getting ready because he was outside cutting the grass, and I guess he didn't realize I would be ready as soon as I was. So now he's taking a shower and getting ready, and then I just realized you should probably pack some stuff so you're not hungry. So I'm gonna bring some strawberries, a banana, and maybe I should bring some of my banana bread too to have like a little movie snack. Also, going to try to make some kind of coffee real quick. But legit, all I have is, what's it called? Milk. All I have is milk. I don't have any cream or anything like that. And I really don't feel like making hot coffee. A little bit of vanilla. Oh man, I made it too sweet. Oh wow. Whoa. Hold on. Pour that out. Add more milk. Y'all, it is Sunday and I am having breakfast. I just had a banana, also had a little bit of the coffee I made yesterday, but I had to add more milk too. I just poured a little bit of the, I'm gonna call it concentrate because it's so sweet, of the concentrate in a cup with some ice and added some more milk to it, and that was it. And now I'm just having my tuna that I bought the other day from Walmart, the salt and pepper tuna, with some of the cucumber tomato salad I made to go on the Mediterranean bowls the other day. And I'm putting that on my Simple Meals crackers. It's very, very good. All I did to the tuna was add a little bit of mayo, light mayo, and a little bit of some Tony's. So I put Tony's, put about a tablespoon of light mayo. And that's it. Now a little cracker.